YouTube, what's going on? What's the deal? It's your boy Moves back with another video. And in today's video, guys, we are fixing the biggest problem with my BMW M4 competition. And I feel like the M4s and M3s in general, right? So these cars from factory, they come with two options, right? You can either get the steel brakes or you can get the carbon ceramic brakes. Carbon ceramic brakes, I think, are like $7,000 extra, which I don't know if I'd want to pay $7,000 for some brakes, honestly. But I don't even have the choice because I bought my car used. Anyways, those OEM steel brakes, their brake pads are terrible, guys. I'm running their OEM pads on my current wheels along with my old OEM wheels, and they were an absolute pain to deal with. I would be cleaning those OEM wheels like every other day, and I just ended up giving up because it was just too much headache to deal with. And now we are going to go ahead and throw on some EBC yellow stuff brake pads. They're ceramic brake pads, so they're going to be mitigating the brake dust and hopefully fixing the issue. They also offer a EBC red stuff pad, which is actually going to even be better for limiting brake dust. But they were back ordered, so I ended up choosing the yellow stuff pads, which have better braking performance but create a little bit more brake dust. They're still pretty solid though, so we're gonna see how they end up holding up for me. We're gonna go ahead and throw them on in this video, and I'll give you guys my impressions on their product. Right, big shout out to EBC. They actually partnered up with me on this video, so much love to them. I'm very appreciative of their support for the channel. And if you guys are interested in a set of EBC brake pads, I will have their product linked in the description below for you guys to check out. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so we are now about to pull in to my boy Blake's crib. Let's go ahead and get his first impressions on the wheels and the new setup, and then we can go ahead and get these pads installed as well. Dang.
Holy fuck. Those look so good.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Not yet. I'm about to make a video out of it.
What's up, dude?
It's good, bro. It's good to see you.
Long time no see.
I know. It's been like, what, 2 days maybe?
Holy crap.
Man. What you think of the finish and everything?
It's perfect. It's not like, it's functional, man.
It's not too much.
But it looks really good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Look how big the freaking brakes look, dude.
Bro, look at how cooked they are.
What? Oh, the brakes.
The brakes, yeah. And then check this out.
The floating caps.
Yeah. The Motivos.
Oh my god.
You see the dust? Like, I didn't even really drive the car, and they're hella dusty.
Yeah.
Bro, like a day, and then I was like not even pressing the brakes too hard, you know? Bro, yeah, the fitment and everything, sick, bro. Transformed the car, honestly.
Dude, it's so perfect.
Yeah, I did my math, bro.
That's no spacers, nothing.
No space.
That's perfect.
Yeah, I did the math on them, bro.
Oh my god.
Thank you, man. Thank you. I do everything. B-locks, monolocks. These are two-piece, actually.
Real two-piece?
They're real two-piece, but the way they're set up is called dual block. So, like, the spokes are all connected. You see how the spokes are all together?
Yep.
I just wanted to do something different because I never really see people, like, do these. Only people that I've seen, like, offer them is, like, Anarchy. You know Anarchy?
I've heard of them, yeah.
Yeah. And, like, a couple other companies, but their stuff is, like, $14,000 if you want a set of these.
Well, shout out Motivo.
Shout out Motivo.
Motivo Forge.
Shout out EBC too as well, guys, because they're hooking it up. Who's pulling it hot like the stick? Oh my god. I was like, damn, this dude is flying. Who is that? So yeah, shout out to EBC, guys. They're hooking it up. Oh, that sounds sweet. Man.
Tune now.
Yeah, that's sick right there. So yeah, they're hooking it up. We're gonna go ahead and get their pads installed, and I'm gonna give you guys my impressions on them as well.
Oh my god.
What you think?
What's up, man?
What's good, bro? How you been?
Doing good. Doing good.
You see the Motivo sauce?
Oh, let's look. Let's take a look here.
Take a look. Polished with the brushed, with the floating center caps. Check that out. 3-piece with the carbon.
That is
Yeah,
so
that's
nice.
tough. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Did you design that?
Yeah, I designed
so
them fully.
sick.
I designed them finished. Even the caps, I designed the center caps.
These are going on the Tesla.
Yeah, hell yeah.
We're doing
Let's
that.
get it done. We can get something done for that bad boy too, bro. Alright guys, we got the first wheel off now. We're gonna go ahead and get the other stuff done after we get these pads on. Stay tuned for that. Shout out to my guy Blake. He also got a set of EBC brake pads on his car, right?
Of course, always.
What are you running?
Yellow stuff.
Okay, that's
time.
good. We got the yellow stuff for this car. He's got the yellow stuff on his, so yeah guys, should be interesting. I'll definitely let you know how much I like them. All right guys, we have the EBC brake pads here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the fronts on. Got the OEM ones off now, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw the yellow stuff pads on. Hopefully this fixes my brake dust issue. So yeah, let's go ahead and get them put on. Shout out to Blake again for saving the day. All right guys, so we now have the front pads installed, as you can see right there. Tired of these old Brembos on the car. These are the OEM ones. Absolutely been cooking my wheels, so man, hopefully it's gonna make a real nice difference, you know. Once we get these other two done, we're gonna get the car down, and hopefully I'd say about like another 30 minutes we'll be able to drive and see what's going on. So yeah, stay tuned. Finally putting on the last brake pad, and we'll pretty much be done with the car. Put everything back together and get my first impressions on it, see how it holds up, and I'll give you guys my honest feedback and review on it. Check out those wheels though, going crazy, right? Let's keep this polished for as long as we can. Especially I don't want these looking dirty. I want them to be clean, easy to maintain, so that's why we went ahead and chose EBC instead of the OEM pads, right? I had a set of BC4 wheels before on this car, and the OEM pads were cooking the wheels, so yeah. All right guys, we're pretty much almost finished. We're gonna go ahead and put the last wheel on. Check this side out. Looks good, doesn't it? So yeah, once we have the last wheel on, I'm gonna go ahead and have the car lowered, pull this bad boy out, and see what's up from there. All right guys, so we are now in the M4. I'm about to give you guys my first impressions on these new pads. I'll let this guy pass. He's kind of driving a little bit slow. But they were telling me to basically get them bedded in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna get the car cleaned up real nice, get it looking presentable, and see how it handles, right? Oh my god. Alright. Very good. Oh yeah, these are great. Tunnel. Okay, yeah, these definitely feel really good. I'm gonna go ahead and get them bedded in one last time, right? Probably. Yeah, here's smooth. Yeah, these are solid. honestly, I think these feel a little bit better than OEM in terms of like just overall brake feel. Like it's not too aggressive, but it's pretty firm as well when you brake hard, which is nice. And yeah, my friend also has these on his Camaro ZL1. He was telling me he doesn't really have much brake dust, which is great. So the fact that he's telling me his like wheels are a lot easier to maintain and keep clean, and he doesn't even have the red stuff pads, which are supposed to be even better for keeping your wheels clean, that's fantastic, you know? That's what we like, and that's one of the things that like bothered me the most about my car, was the fact that it's always like kind of getting cooked by like brake dust and stuff, you know? So yeah, that's definitely something to be happy about. Yeah, we're definitely gonna see how these bad boys hold up, because if I was on the OEM ones right now, I would be completely screwed, you know? Like by the time I get to the car wash, for example, my stuff would have been brown, it would have been bronze. So yeah, much love to EBC. I'm very happy with their pads so far. They drive great, like they feel nice. Couldn't be more happier with them so far. They're really nice, honestly. Now the moment of truth is when we get to the car wash and we check out those wheels, see if they're holding up good or if they're getting like super dusty. Guys, check it out. We are now at the car wash, and after all of that hard braking, guys, these wheels look the exact same as they did before. Not really any brake dust like that. This brake dust on the wheel right now is from earlier, and honestly, before I even put these pads on, I was taking it really easy because I already knew how these OEM pads were on the BMW M4. So really happy with how they turned out. They're holding up great. Not really any new dust being made, and I was braking pretty aggressively a couple times in the clip, and then as well off of the camera, like without me recording and stuff. I was just driving normal and putting it to use, and it's been great, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna get this car washed up. Have a lot of new mods on it, as you can see. The wheels, exhaust from Active Auto Work, EBC ceramic pads, the yellow stuff pads specifically. A lot of nice stuff on this car, so I kind of just want to take time to clean it up and make it nice and presentable. But with that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching the video, and I appreciate EBC for partnering with your boy on this video, and getting me together with the BMW M4. So if you guys need any brake pads for whatever car you have, whether it be a BMW or a different vehicle, EBC is definitely the place to go. They have really aggressive track pads, they have street pads, they have something for everyone. So definitely check them out. Much love to you guys. Have a good day. Stay blessed, stay safe. Peace.